I've seen a few people say recently that black is out, as if it's some frivolous, fleeting trend, and not the timeless, fierce force of a color that it is. So to quote our friendly Wednesday Addams, I'll stop wearing black when they invent a darker color. In a world of endless option, sometimes choosing less feels like more. For me, that choice is black. A color that strips away the noise, letting me focus on what matters. Building an all-black wardrobe isn't just about style. Black is where I feel most grounded and most myself. There's something powerful about black. It's timeless, mysterious, and honestly, a bit rebellious. Maybe that's why I love it so much. Black has this way about being everything and nothing all at the same time. For me, wearing black isn't about blending in or standing out. Every piece in this wardrobe serves a purpose. It's like building a foundation, not of fashion, but of identity. Each item here has earned its place because it reflects something I value in my own personal style. I start with the essentials: the coat that feels like armor, the sweater that adds warmth, literally and aesthetically. Each piece is carefully chosen, not because it's trendy, but because it belongs here. A fitted black long sleeve that's smooth, simple, and made for layering. A well-tailored blazer that's sharp enough to add polish, but versatile enough to pair with anything. Black pants that fit just right. Each piece is designed to work seamlessly together, creating a capsule that feels effortless. This isn't about excess or variety, it's about finding strength in simplicity, and knowing that every piece here is part of a whole that feels like me. In discipline, there is freedom.
And just to see you smile, watch me bend the sky. the mountain. Thousands of voices resounding, I'm smoking on weed, that's the loudest. Them say blood, thicker than water. Keep it 100 in our family, me call you. You never budge, so we will prosper. Right now we're winning, but in all caps. No cap, you show me love, I will reciprocate it. Forever we will celebrate it. Cause one thing is our boast, in unity we rise to the end of time. And just to see you smile, watch me bend the sky. And just to see you smile, watch me bend the sky.